Good morning, students. Under the remaining work of English grammar, we are doing the passages. So today also we shall do lesson 37. Topic of the passage is the sorting hat spider. In this passage, we will understand about a new species of spider and we will know how it is related to J.K. Rowling's much loved series Harry Potter. So now let's read the passage carefully. Can you guess how the discovery of a new spider can be related to Harry Potter, the boy wizard from J.K. Rowling's much loved series of books? So, Harry Potter is a boy wizard from J.K. Rowling's much loved series, which we all have seen actually, and how the discovery of a new spider is related to that book. Let's see. In December 2016, a group of 3 wildlife enthusiasts from Mumbai found a new spider species, their very own fantastic beast, in Karnataka's Kan's forest after spending months watching it in its fragile habitat. So in December 2016, a group of 3 wildlife enthusiasts, they were from Mumbai, they found a new species of spider which was called fantastic beast in Karnataka's Kan's forest, where they have spent their months watching that species of spider in its fragile habitat. Rajashri Khalap, along with researcher Javed Ahmed and wildlife photographer Sumukha Javagal, named the spider, which bears a striking resemblance to the sorting hat from J.K. Rowling's Harry Potter books, Ryuvixia Gryffindori, after the hat's owner in the books, Godric Gryffindor. So, 3 people were there in the team. First was Rajashri Khalap and second was researcher Javed Ahmed with wildlife photographer Sumukha Javagal. They named the spider, the new species of spider, and the name which they gave, that was Ryuvixia Gryffindori. And this name is after the name of the hat's owner, which is given in the book, a character which is given in the book who used to wear a hat, and the name of the character is Godric Gryffindor, and the name of that species is given after his name only. The name is both a nod to the Harry Potter series and a way to develop more interest in the 8-legged creatures. So the name is given to develop the interest in that species of spider. Javed says that the spider takes the shape of the magical hat to camouflage itself, to resemble a dried leaf during the daytime, to protect itself from predators. So Javed Ahmed, who was a researcher from that team only, he says that the spider changes its shape into a magical hat to save itself from the predators. In fact, J.K. Rowling herself tweeted about it. I am truly honored. Congratulations on discovering another fantastic beast. So when J.K. Rowling, the writer of Harry Potter, has heard about this kind of discovery, she also tweeted that she is truly honored and she congratulated the team members on discovering another #fantastic beast. The announcement of the discovery came at the same time as the release of the Harry Potter film Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them. Khalap, a conservationist who works with the wildlife NGO Satpura Foundation, says she identified with the main character of the film, Newt Scamander, and his wish to travel across the world studying and protecting creatures. So the news of the discovery of new species of spider came at the same time when the movie was going to release, and that was the series of Harry Potter, and the name was Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them. Khalap, she is a conservationist and she works with the NGO of Satpura Foundation. She identifies the spider with the main character of the film, and the name of the character is Newt Scamander, and the character has a wish to travel across the world studying and protecting creatures. The character of this movie also wants to protect the creatures. How did they realize that the creepy crawly they had found had never been documented before? So how the 3 have realized that the new species which they have captured has never been realized before? it was a long process of observation. Sometimes they would capture one only to find that it wasn't what they were looking for, and release it back into the wild. So to observe that they have discovered a new species of spider, they have done many efforts. First of all, they used to capture the spiders, and they used to study that they have captured the spider that is the new species or not, and then they release that species back to the forest. When they thought they had picked the right spider, they examined it under a microscope and compared it to all the species that were known in the same genus. So when they have realized that they have captured the correct spider, so what they have done, they have examined it under the microscope and they have compared it to all the species that were known in the same genus, and then they have realized that they have captured and they have discovered a new species of spider. Khalaf, with her research partner Javed, an arachnologist and a naturalist, has discovered 5 new species of spiders in the last 2 years. So Khalaf and her research partner Javed Ahmed, they have discovered 5 new species of spiders in the last 2 years. One of these is the Paraplectena rajeshri, named after her. It is a tiny nocturnal spider which looks just like a ladybird. So one of the species which they have discovered is Paraplectena rajeshri, and the name is given after the name of Rajeshri Khalaf only. This species of spider is a tiny nocturnal spider and it looks like a ladybird. Khalaf says that she is fascinated by the evolution of spiders. There are some that live on leaves and have the same color as leaves, some that live on tree trunks and merge completely with the bark, some like the flower crab spiders that even change color, and some that have evolved to look exactly like their prey. So Khalaf is fascinated by the evolution of spiders because they have different behaviors. Like some spiders are there, they live on the leaves and they have the same color of the leaves, and some lives on the tree trunk and they merge them completely with the color of the bark. Some like the flower crab, they even change their color and they exactly look like their prey only. And these are the evolutionary behaviors which fascinate Rajeshri Khalaf every time. So this passage was about the sorting hat spider. I hope everything is clear to all of you. Now we will see the book filling of this lesson. So now, first of all, you all have to mention today's date and online classwork in your books. Let's see. Exercise C. Find words in the passage that mean the same. We have to find the same words from the passage which means the same, which is given here. First one is disguise. It means camouflage. Second one is similar in appearance. That means resemblance. Third one is active at night. That is nocturnal. Fourth one is amazed. That means fascinated. Fifth one is blend. That means merge. And sixth one is developed, that means evolved. Now let's see exercise D. Fill in the blanks with appropriate words. We have to fill the correct verbs here. First one is the sailor and his friends dash leaving the ship at the next port. Because the subject is plural, that's why we will choose are. The sailor and his friends are. Second one is the books in the trunk dash to Rakesh. So books is a plural subject, that's why we will not add s or es, so it will be belong. It will be the books in the trunk, in that trunk belong to Rakesh. Third one is either Adi or Anu dash the latest information on the matter. So here either Adi or Anu, that means singular subject is there and we will choose has here. Fourth one is my mother dash her friends regularly on morning walks. So my mother is a singular subject, we will add as, that's why it will be my mother meets. Fifth one is each student dash given a set of books to read, and each student, that is a singular subject, we will use was here. Now let's see exercise E. Add suitable question tags to these sentences. So question tags are used to confirm that the information which we are getting is correct or not. If the sentence is positive, the question tag will be negative. If the sentence is negative, then the question tag will be positive. First sentence is she has a melodious voice, which is a positive sentence, so the question tag will be negative. Hasn't she? Second one is he did not come today. That is a negative sentence, so positive question tag will be did he. We had better plan the picnic now. So that is positive, shouldn't we? The weather is not pleasant, that is negative. So positive question tag will be it is. Fifth one, this is your trophy, isn't it? Sixth one, the actors have taken the costumes with them, haven't they? The puppy has grown into a handsome dog, hasn't it? You did not come to school with us yesterday, did you? So you all have seen that the question tags are used to confirm the information that it is correct or not. When the sentence is positive, the question tag is negative, and when the sentence is negative, the question tag will be positive. And the helping verb of question tags will be dependent on the verbs and helping verbs of the sentence. I hope everything is clear to all of you. Thank you everyone.